Okay ka, dala ka sa sapatos ko.
Dali-dali lang, ano ko.
Kaya nga, okay ka muna. Pag pumayag na.
Video mo na, video mo
Ano?
na. Simula mo na.
Nakasimula na kanina pa.
Shout out Levi's, passing shirt ko. Whip top.
Sombrero.
Pati ng ilong ko.
Shout out sa Kulangot, bro.
Wala ako sa ilong ngayon.
Kita niyo yun.
Ikaw, wala ka shout out. Ikaw, Jit.
Wala eh. Shout out nga.
Ito sa t-shirt ko. Jag, yan.
Oy,
Aray!
saka na. Wag mo na.
We will like this amazing.
Second.
We will like this.
Second muna.
Wait lang.
Second. Alright.
Ba't naghahang? Ayun.
Wala.
Wait, ayun!
Yun, nice, nice.
Yun, not,
You see?
not. You see.
As you can see, the foyer, the under pressure is building up under the glass of water. And it will now amazingly lift the glass of paint. Will now elevate.
Leviosa!
Put it down.
Whoa! Whoa!
You see that? And now try with one yema.
One yema, one yema.
Two yema.
Oh my god! Yema! Yema!
With the four yema.
Oh my god! Poor yema! Poor yema! Whoa!
We will now try a very dangerous stunt. My friend, we will try with my mom's slippers.
Please do not try this at home. Do it here.
Yes, at my home.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Wait! The glass! The glass!
No, not the glass.
Okay, not the glass, not
We
the
will now
glass.
try with my mom's second sleeper.
The second sleeper, please! Oh! Oh my goodness! Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Have you seen science? That's science! Jagtag, Kulangot, and
My God.
okay.
Parang gadgets.
We'll put the life of my friend's gadgets at risk.
Yes.
We'll try with one LG Mini.
Yeah,
Not so mini at all. Sorry.
Oh my goodness! Oh my!
That is size.
How about the other tablet?
Big one, ha? Big one.
Big one.
With the matching Prospero
Yes.
box.
You lift my hand is ugly.
Oh my goodness! Oh,
Hindi kasi balance. Hindi balance.
wait, masyado na mabigat eh. Ha? Masyado na mabigat eh. Sorry naman.
Pwede na natin gawin.
Okay, ngayon yung testing na namin ng ano, totoo.
Totoo na.
Totoo na. Kaya i-cancel na yung video. Aayusin na namin lahat. Tapos gagawin namin ng switch.
Ako bibigyan sa inyo.
Oh, yun. Tapos si Ranjit na yung mag-video.